Hello, hello, hello. Today is December 21, 2020. It's the day at which Jupiter and Saturn, as seen from the Earth, are the closest together in 800 years. And you see them here. This now is about 0.1 degrees apart. This picture was made this morning by my friend Akshay Gupta in India. Sunset in India was 6:06 p.m. So he took this picture probably about 45-50 minutes afterwards. It has not been taken by a telescope. In that sense, it's not what you may expect. You don't see the rings around Saturn, you don't see the moons of Jupiter. By the way, Jupiter has 79 moons. And Saturn has 82 moons. Several of them are about as large as our own moon, but most are not. So I thank Akshay very much for having sent this to me. It's the very best that can be done. I am clouded out. I will be clouded out tomorrow. But in any case, from now on, the angular separation between the two planets will increase in time. I will still try to follow it perhaps a few more days. But the real fun is over, let's face it. I showed you the situation on December 15, on December 18, on December 20, and now also on December 21. This is what we call the jackpot. Thank you, Akshay. By the way, Akshay Gupta is the person who writes also closed captions for my videos when the automated transfer by Google is in Dutch. So I've thanked him already for that many times. So a picture from India. Since 75% of my viewers are from India, I hope you will appreciate this. Don't ask me what this black part is here and the shaping of Jupiter and Saturn. I cannot answer that, and I'm sure that Akshay cannot either. The whole situation was made under very limited conditions. It's clear that Saturn is fainter than Jupiter. They both are about 10 times larger than the Earth, but Saturn is twice as far away from the Sun as Jupiter. Jupiter is at a distance of 10 astronomical units, and 1 astronomical unit is 150 million kilometers. That is the distance between Sun and Earth. The distance between Sun and Saturn is 10 astronomical units. So, since Saturn is twice as far away as Jupiter, if we assume they have the same brightness, they have after all roughly the same size, then Saturn should be 4 times fainter than Jupiter. All right then, we'll be friends, and I'm sure that all my viewers from India will be very proud. Have a nice day and take care, and surely we will be friends till death do us part. That's a given. If you had had a telescope with high resolution and maybe 4 inches or 10 inches diameter, you would have seen a picture similar to what you see here. see Jupiter, you see only 3 of its 4 brightest moons. The 4th one is probably below in the picture. And you see here on the right Saturn with 2 of its 82 satellites, moons. And if your telescope is very sophisticated, it would even write down here for you Saturn, and it would write down here for you Jupiter. And this is the direction then of the famous rings around Saturn. So, this is what you might have seen if you had super equipment. But I love the picture of Akshay. Handmade, high quality, not high resolution.